Today I want to share with you an app that I think is really going to transform your online teaching experience. So all of us as piano teachers have been there, especially now when we teach online, grabbing the students' attention. It is very difficult to do this online because we're not right there with them in the same room and we can't point at the music. So this allows us to actually grab their attention and maintain their focus for a much longer period of time. So the name of this app is Scribble Together. It is a collaborative whiteboard app which allows you to share your score with your student in real time and annotate it so the student on the other side sees whatever you're annotating right away in real time. It's $5 a month. Of course, you can cancel at any time. This app has some awesome features. You of course have different colors you can annotate with. You also have a highlighter, and you also have my favorite, which is a laser pointer. So I can write something on the score and the student sees it, and then it just evaporates. So it grabs their attention. So I'm going to quickly walk you through how to set this app up and how to use it. So once you join, you click on an empty new whiteboard. You click on the file icon. You choose file. You select your music score. You will then see the score appear on the Scribble app. Now, in order to share the score with a student, click on the add people icon, click on share link, or have your student click on the join board and give them the temporary 4-digit access code. So once you give your students the 4-digit code, they punch it in and they're ready to go. So there you have it. I think it's a really, really good app for teaching. And as usual, please drop a line, send me a pigeon, share your thoughts about this app or anything else. Thanks. Peace. You can write stop it in big letters if they're doing something silly.